Okay, boys and girls, we're going to read a book called Animals, Animals. This is by Cheryl Ryan. It's in your Raz Kids. And after this, I will push this out into your assignment so you can read the book for yourself. Also, I'd like for you to take the comprehension test as well. All right, so here we go. Animals, animals. And right away, you can see these are not the kind of animals that we would see in our backyard. Here you see elephants and zebras, and we just don't find those around here. There are many kinds of animals. Elk run fast. Elk live in the mountains. That's kind of like our deer here, but these elks are much bigger. Giraffes are tall. Giraffes have spots. Elephants are strong. Elephants have long trunks. Camels live in deserts. Camels can go without water for a long time. Foxes have bushy tails. Foxes live in holes in the ground. Zebras have stripes. Zebras live in grassy places. Hippos live near water. Hippos have almost no hair. Polar bears live in cold places. Polar bears eat seals. There are many kinds of animals. So that's our book for today. And we're going to talk about comparing and contrasting some of these animals as you're going to do on your own or with your parents. So I want to bring up real quickly a compare and contrast chart. And as you can see, this is called a Venn diagram. And on this side, we have giraffes, and on this side, we have zebras. And what we find in the middle, that is how they are similar or what they have in common. We've done a couple of these in class. So here in the middle, we can see that they're both animals, that zebra and a giraffe, we're going to compare a zebra and a giraffe, that they're both animals, they both have fur, they both have 4 legs, they both have 2 eyes and a tail, they graze on grass, they eat plants only, they both could be found in a zoo, and they're animals who live like in Africa and Canada and exotic places like that. They're called exotic animals. They're not called common animals that we would see around here. The giraffe has a long neck. The zebra has a short neck. The giraffe has spots while the zebra has stripes. The giraffe has a long neck so they can eat leaves from trees, but a zebra cannot do that. They have to graze on grass. Most giraffes are brown and zebras are black and white. So boys and girls, I want you to go back through the book and I want you to look at the book, log into Raz Kids, find the book in your assignment, read the book, take your comprehension test, and then down at the bottom on your lesson plans, you'll have a writing piece that's asking you to compare these animals. All right, thank you and have a great day.